Are you ready to unlock the secrets behind the screens and circuits? Welcome to Zeeratech Universe, where imagination meets innovation and the impossible becomes possible. Today we're diving into the fascinating universe of technology, where every gadget and gizmo has a story to tell. Have you ever wondered how your video games come to life? It's not just about pressing buttons and moving joysticks. Behind every jump, every race, and every adventure, there's a team of creative minds and powerful computers working together. They design characters, build worlds, and write codes that make your gaming experience unforgettable. Imagine being able to create your own game, where you decide the rules and the storyline. How cool would that be? Or how your smartphone seems to know what you're thinking. It's like having a tiny genius in your pocket. From predicting your next word to suggesting the best route home, smartphones are packed with artificial intelligence that learns from your habits and preferences. Ever wondered how it all works? It's a blend of data, algorithms, and a bit of tech magic that makes your life easier and more connected. It's not magic, although it feels like it sometimes. The real magic lies in the minds of scientists, engineers, and innovators who dream big and work hard to turn those dreams into reality. They experiment, they fail, they try again, and eventually they succeed. And guess what? You can be one of them. All it takes is curiosity, creativity, and a passion for learning. Get ready to explore the exciting universe of technology, robots, and artificial intelligence. Imagine walking into a lab where robots are being built, each one designed to help humans in different ways. Some can assist in surgeries, others can explore distant planets, and some can even be your personal companions. The possibilities are endless, and the future is in your hands. These three incredible fields are changing the world around us in amazing ways. We're talking self-driving cars that can take you to school while you finish your homework or play your favorite game. These cars use sensors, cameras, and advanced algorithms to navigate the roads safely. It's like having your own chauffeur, but way cooler. Robots that can do your chores, wouldn't that be nice? Imagine a robot that can clean your room, do the dishes, or even help you with your homework. These robots are designed to make our lives easier and give us more time to do the things we love. And the best part? You can learn to build and program these robots yourself. And computers that can write stories? Yes, you heard that right. With the power of artificial intelligence, computers can now generate text, create art, and even compose music. Imagine having a computer as your co-author, helping you write the next best-selling novel or composing a hit song. The creative possibilities are endless, and it's all thanks to the incredible advancements in technology. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a wild ride. We're about to embark on an adventure through the world of technology, where every discovery leads to new possibilities, and every question sparks a new idea. So, are you ready to explore, learn, and create? Let's dive into the world of WoW and see what amazing things we can discover together. First things first, what is tech? It's a term we hear all the time, but what does it really mean? Let's dive into it. Tech is short for technology, and it's basically anything humans create to solve problems and make life easier and more fun. From the wheel to the smartphone, technology has been a part of human history for thousands of years. It's not just about the latest gadgets, it's about innovation and creativity. Think about your smartphone. It lets you talk to people far away, play games, and even learn new things. That's tech in action. But it doesn't stop there. Your smartphone is a mini computer that fits in your pocket, packed with sensors and software that can do everything from tracking your fitness to navigating you to a new place, or your computer. It connects you to the entire world and helps you do your homework, maybe even plays a few games on the side. Computers have revolutionized the way we work, learn, and play. They are powerful tools that can process vast amounts of information in the blink of an eye. From the simplest tools to the most complex gadgets, tech is all around us, making our lives better in countless ways. Think about the microwave that heats your food, the washing machine that cleans your clothes, or the car that takes you places. All these are examples of technology making our daily tasks easier and more efficient. And let's not forget about smart home devices. These gadgets can control your lights, play your favorite music, and even adjust the temperature in your home, all with a simple voice command. They bring convenience and comfort to our living spaces. Virtual reality is another exciting area of tech. It allows you to immerse yourself in a completely different world, whether for gaming, education, or even virtual travel. The possibilities are endless, and it's just one example of how technology is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So the next time you use your phone, computer, or any other gadget, take a moment to appreciate the incredible technology behind it. It's not just about the device itself, but the countless hours of innovation, design and engineering that went into creating it. Tech truly is everywhere, and it's shaping our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Robots are like characters straight out of your favorite sci-fi movies, but guess what? They're real. These incredible machines are no longer just a figment of our imagination or confined to the pages of comic books and movie screens. They walk among us, work alongside us, and even help us in ways we never thought possible. Robots are machines designed to do tasks automatically. They can be programmed to perform a wide variety of functions, from the simplest to the most complex. In factories, robots are often seen on assembly lines, tirelessly working to put together products with speed and precision that humans simply can't match. These mechanical marvels are the backbone of modern manufacturing, ensuring that everything from cars to electronics is built efficiently and accurately. They come in all shapes and sizes, from giant arms in car factories to tiny robots that can clean your house. Industrial robots are often large and powerful, designed to handle heavy lifting and intricate tasks that require a high degree of accuracy. On the other hand, domestic robots like vacuum cleaners are small and designed to make our everyday lives a bit easier by taking over mundane chores. Some robots explore dangerous places like the bottom of the ocean or even outer space. These specialized robots are built to withstand extreme conditions that would be impossible for humans to endure. Underwater robots can dive to incredible depths, capturing images and collecting data from the ocean floor. Space robots, like rovers, traverse the surfaces of other planets, sending back invaluable information about our universe. They help us build things, keep us safe, and even perform surgeries with incredible precision. In construction, robots can lay bricks, pour concrete, and even assemble entire buildings. In the medical field, surgical robots assist doctors in performing delicate procedures with a level of accuracy that reduces the risk of complications and speeds up recovery times for patients. Robots are like super helpers, making our lives easier and safer. From assisting with daily tasks to enhancing safety measures in various industries, robots are becoming an integral part of our world. They are not just tools, they are partners in our quest to improve efficiency, safety, and quality of life. As technology continues to advance, the role of robots in our lives will only grow, bringing with it new possibilities and opportunities. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is like giving a brain to a computer. It's how we teach computers to think and learn like humans. Remember when you taught your pet a new trick? It's kind of like that, but with computers. AI helps computers understand information, make decisions, and even predict what might happen next. It's what makes your smartphone understand your voice commands or helps your favorite streaming service suggest a show you might like. Cool, right? Teamwork makes the dream work. Here's the best part. Tech, robotics, and AI are best friends. They love working together to create amazing things. Imagine a robot that can not only clean your room but also learn your cleaning preferences using AI. That's the power of collaboration. Self-driving cars use all three: tech for the car itself, robotics for steering and control, and AI to understand the road and make driving decisions. Together, they can solve problems that seemed impossible before. Fun facts to wow your friends. Ready for some mind-blowing facts? The world's smallest robot is smaller than the width of a human hair. That's tiny. Did you know that some robots can explore the surface of Mars? They send back incredible pictures and information about the red planet. And get this, some AI programs can compose music, paint pictures, and even write poems. Who knows, maybe one day a computer will write a best-selling novel. The future is now. The future of tech, robotics, and AI is brighter than a supernova. Get ready for a world where robots help us with everyday tasks, AI assists doctors in diagnosing illnesses with incredible accuracy, and we explore the universe with super smart spacecraft. We might even have flying cars. Hey, a science guy can dream, right? The possibilities are limitless, and that's what makes this field so exciting. Keep the curiosity burning. So, are you ready to jump into the world of tech, robotics, and AI? It all starts with curiosity. Ask questions, explore, build things, break things, safely of course, and never stop learning. There are tons of resources available online, in libraries, and even in your own community to help you on your journey. Go be a tech superstar. Remember, you are the future innovators, creators, and problem solvers. The world needs your creativity and passion. Maybe you'll be the one to invent a robot that can clean your room with the flick of a wrist, or develop an AI program that can write a symphony. Whatever your passion, don't be afraid to dream big and let your imagination soar. The world of tech is waiting for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more exclusive and educative content and learning.